Third outing sa Can-Do. So we're right here in Busay, and the battery's about to turn off. There's Loy. Si Ate Ai. Hi Ate Ai. Thank you for bringing us here.
Not included.
For bringing us here.
Sampa lang mi dire. Ay, sorry.
Literally ba, for bringing us here, kasi dito masaya ang car. Nasad siya na pa. Kanang...
Sampa sa team.
Oh, wala ko gayon, Sierra. Then there's Kuya Paulo. Where's your hair, dude? You lost your hair?
Balin nito.
Ay, bitaw no. Tenor!
Hi!
Say hi to your dudong.
Hi, Dudong. Musi-musi. Mama. Manaka siya naman sa sangana.
Wala. Musod. Mangita ko si Ayo dila sa sud. The house. We're here. And there's Tatay Ke. Hi, Tay! Hi, Kay! Okay, it's about to turn off also.